Most first-time homebuyers think that owning a home is completely out of reach. And most investors think that small condos don't cash flow. Mortgage on this condo could cost less than renting in Oakville. And unlike rent, you're building equity, turning your monthly payment into an investment and not just an expense. Now, investors, you might be thinking that a one-bedroom condo in Oakville can't cash flow. But here's the catch. Low maintenance, high demand, and strong rental potential make this one for a stress-free, passive cash flow. But here's something that most people don't think about. You're not buying your first property, you're buying your first investment property. With rental demand this strong in Oakville, your future self will definitely be thanking you. So whether you're a first-time home buyer securing your future or an investor looking for passive income, this Oakville condo is definitely worth taking a look. Tucked away in Oakville Commons, this one is located close to everything. Shopping, dining, highway access, entertainment, all just within 10 minutes. So step inside for brand new flooring, fresh paint, and a completely updated kitchen. All move-in ready. The kitchen is the perfect size for a one-bedroom condo. The bathroom is freshly updated. Really, you just need to unpack. Now let's talk about investment. Many condos don't allow rentals within the association. Think about it. A turnkey unit, high tenant demand, in a great location. It's not a matter of will you find a tenant, it's a matter of picking the right tenant. That's a solid investment. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer looking for an easy move or an investor that's looking for passive income, this is definitely worth looking at and either adding to your portfolio or making your first home. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with a friend that maybe wants to live in Oakville. Again, thanks for watching.